Hello, I'm Ransom Ryder. I'm in the kitchen having a good time. I'm making a special treat today. This is actually another favorite of mine. I love that coffee, so good. Now, I'm gonna be making for you a really good sandwich. This is a perfect snack when you don't have a lot of time, but you need something to snack on to get you through to the next meal. This is perfect. What I have here is some Biscoff Lotus Cookie peanut butter. This is, if you've never tried this, give it a try. The next time you're at your grocer, and if they carry the Biscoff Lotus peanut butter, this is a delight. I am taking my peanut butter sandwich up a notch. This is just so good. Now I'm using a potato bread. It's soft and delicious. I want to try to spread this peanut butter, and this is the crunchy version. Go wild, go crunchy. This is the crunchy version. I'm gonna spread it on both sides. That's how good it is. I want it on both sides. Now it is thick. Actually, you know, this would have been, you could put a little bit of maple syrup into this and thin it out just a tad, and it would spread easier. A little bit of maple syrup, a little bit of molasses, give it that Old South flavor. All right, that's looking good. Let's get this back in here. Get in there. And I want to come in with my bananas. I just want to do a little squirt of lemon. Let's do a little squirt of lemon on the bananas. And then let's come in and pop these on top. Now, if you saw my banana and mayonnaise sandwich, don't be afraid of that. And definitely don't be afraid of this one. It's that good. One last banana. And little banana, come back to me. You do not escape the Biscoff Lotus peanut butter. Crunchy. Turn it over, give it a smash. And then I'm gonna be fancy and cut this like my sister used to do it back home in the mountains. I always saw my sister's sandwich when it was cut this way and just thought, wow, this is gonna be the best sandwich ever. Let's bite into this. Look at those layers of banana, double layers of the crunchy Lotus Biscoff peanut butter. Let's give it a try. That peanut butter, the crunch from the Lotus cookie. Take your peanut butter and banana sandwich to the next level. You're gonna love this. I'm Ransom Ryder. The journey in the kitchen. So much better when you share it with the friends. You come on over. I've got half a sandwich for you and enough peanut butter. We can make a couple. You're gonna love this. Give it a try. Leave me a comment. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye, bye. I'm gonna have another bite. So good.